Today, I'm reviewing Buildin AI, a brand new all-in-one productivity platform that lets you create documents, manage projects, use AI, and even sell paid content, all inside one workspace. Let's dive in. Buildin AI is an all-in-one AI workspace designed for creators, teams, and businesses who are tired of switching between multiple tools. Instead of juggling different apps, Buildin lets you create docs and notes, build databases and timelines, manage projects visually, use built-in AI writing tools, create mind maps, sell premium content subscriptions. So yes, it's not just productivity software, it's also a content monetization platform. Think of it as Notion plus Project Manager plus AI Assistant plus digital product platform combined. Now let's talk key features. AI-powered workspace build-in includes integrated AI directly inside your workflow. You can ask questions across your workspace, summarize documents instantly, generate content faster, research without leaving your notes. And the cool part, you can choose between multiple AI models, including GPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek, depending on your task. That flexibility is rare in workspace tools. Docs, databases, and mind maps together. Most tools separate thinking and execution. Buildin connects them. You can start with a mind map, then instantly convert ideas into documents, tasks, databases, project timelines. Everything stays connected, which makes planning feel much more natural. Built-in project management. Instead of using Trello or ClickUp separately, Buildin offers board view, timeline view, lists, progress tracking, collaboration tools. Your notes, decisions, and tasks live in the same place. No more context switching. Sell content directly. Huge feature. This is where Buildin becomes different. You can sell templates, playbooks, documentation courses, private workspaces, using paid subscriptions without needing Gumroad, Patreon, or extra platforms. You control pricing, permissions, and access inside the workspace itself. For creators and educators, this is powerful. Right now, Buildin is available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Plan starts at just $39. That means you pay once and use it forever. And there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's basically risk-free. So, is Buildin worth it? Here's my honest opinion. If you want a clean Notion alternative with AI and monetization built in, Buildin is absolutely worth trying. It's fast, modern, and designed around how people actually work today. Thinking, building, collaborating, and earning all in one place. And since it's still early, getting lifetime access now could be a smart move. Check the link in the description to grab the Buildin deal before it ends. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews.